So problem 14, this again is a fairly simple problem, but to solve this problem you need to remember this formula. So we know that NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals N plus 1 CR. So you need to know this expression to solve this problem. So if you observe the first two terms here, N is 16 and I have R which is 10 and R minus 1. So let me rewrite this. So let me write this term here first, so which is 16C10 plus 16C9. So this corresponds to NCR and NCR minus 1 minus, let me write this term first, 16C7 plus 16C6. So again this corresponds to NCR plus NCR minus 1. I've taken the minus sign outside. So I can write this as N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 is 17, CR is 10 minus, here again N is 16, so N plus 1 is 17, CR is 7. So I need to find the subtraction of these two terms. So we know that what is NCR? NCR is factorial N divided by factorial N minus R into factorial R. So I have, this is factorial 17 divided by 7 minus 10 is 7, and then factorial 10 minus factorial 17. 17 minus 7 is factorial 10 into factorial 7. So you observe that these two values are one and the same. So you're subtracting these two and definitely the answer is 0. So the right answer is D. Okay, a very simple problem, but to solve this problem you need to remember this expression, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals N plus 1 CR. Okay, now thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of further uploads. And do keep a watch for all the other videos to get the solutions of all the problems of KCET 2020.